Imagine waking up one day, feeling decades younger, high energy, sharp mind, joints moving without pain. Sound like a fantasy? Science is uncovering breakthroughs that could make this a reality. We're diving into real research on aging, longevity, and your body's hidden secrets. Aging isn't just wrinkles or gray hair. It's a complex biological process affecting every cell, from brain to muscles, heart to skin. For decades, scientists believed aging was inevitable, a linear decline. But recent discoveries are challenging that idea. Aging isn't a one-way street. Even in your 60s and beyond, you can slow it, repair damage, and regain lost vitality. Exciting research revolves around cellular health. Inside your cells, mitochondria act like batteries, powering every movement, thought, and heartbeat. Over time, these batteries lose efficiency. They become leaky, energy drops, and cells show where this contributes to fatigue, slower metabolism, and cognitive decline. Scientists are exploring ways to restore mitochondrial health, giving cells a second wind. Some studies suggest nutrients, fasting, and NAD boosters can rejuvenate them. Another breakthrough focuses on senescent cells. These cells stop dividing, but refuse to die, releasing chemicals that trigger inflammation and damage. Think of them as troublemakers, sabotaging your body. Researchers are developing senolytics to selectively remove these cells, reducing inflammation and improving function. In animal studies, clearing a small percentage of senescent cells improved strength, endurance, and heart health. Imagine tissues operating without these cellular growth. Then there's telomere science, looking at protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, these caps shorten. Short telomeres linked to heart disease, weakened immunity, and shorter lifespan. But lifestyle factors can slow telomere shortening. Stress reduction, regular movement, a plant-rich diet, and adequate sleep can even lengthen them. It's a tangible way to influence your DNA. Your immune system also changes with age. By your 60s, the immune response slows, leaving you vulnerable to infections and chronic inflammation. This chronic inflammation accelerates tissue breakdown and contributes to diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and Alzheimer's. Anti-aging research explores ways to modulate the immune system, from dietary compounds to innovative therapies. The goal is to keep your defenses sharp. Perhaps one of the most impactful discoveries for seniors is the role of muscle health in longevity. Muscle mass naturally declines with age. This loss isn't just about strength, it's linked to metabolic health, balance, and even cognitive function. Resistance training and protein can rebuild muscle. What's fascinating is that research suggests it's never too late to start. Even in your 70s, you can gain measurable strengths and improve your quality of life. Dietary approaches are also catching the spotlight. Intermittent fasting and calorie restriction activate cellular repair mechanisms and improve metabolic efficiency. These strategies stimulate autophagy, a natural process where your body clears out damaged cells and recycles components for energy. Essentially, it's a cellular cleanup that may slow aging from the inside out. Alongside this, diets rich in antioxidants protect cells from free radical damage. The science of aging is rapidly evolving, offering incredible hope for a healthier, more vibrant future. What steps will you take? Even the way we think about mental stimulation and stress is part of longevity science. Chronic stress accelerates cellular aging, shortens telomeres, and disrupts hormonal balance. Practices like meditation, learning new skills, social engagement, and hobbies challenge your brain. These have measurable effects on cognitive longevity. The mind-body connection is deeply biological, influencing everything from inflammation to cellular repair. Technology is also entering the longevity space. Wearables now track sleep, heart rate, variability, and stress levels, giving actionable insights to optimize daily habits. Virtual reality and AI-driven programs are helping with physical therapy, cognitive training, and exercise adherence. We're entering an era where science and technology combine to give individuals tools that weren't imaginable even a decade ago. These breakthroughs highlight a powerful truth. Aging is not an unstoppable decline. It's a process influenced by biology, lifestyle, and targeted interventions. Every choice how you move, what you eat, how you manage, stress interacts with cutting-edge science in ways that can meaningfully alter the trajectory of your health. But while these discoveries are exciting, they're not magic. Longevity comes from proven strategies and personalized approaches. Understanding the science behind these interventions is important as applying them in daily life. Now that we've explored cellular and internal mechanisms, let's talk about everyday strategies, breakthroughs that can make longevity practical, tangible, and even enjoyable. Because science is fascinating, but what really matters is how you apply it to your life. One of the most powerful tools we have comes from exercise science. We often think of exercise as maintaining weight or staying fit, but recent studies show specific types of exercise influence aging at the cellular level. High-intensity interval training, resistance workouts, and stretching activate longevity genes, improve mitochondrial function, and reduce inflammation. For seniors, focus isn't extreme exertion. It's about stimulating the right systems safely. Simple strategies like resistance, bands, sessions, light weightlifting, or brisk walking with uphill movement can trigger profound changes in metabolism and muscle preservation. Cardiovascular health is another area seeing remarkable breakthroughs. While diet and exercise help the heart, new research points to compounds in foods like flavonoids in dark chocolate, polyphenols in berries, and nitrates in leafy greens that directly improve blood vessel elasticity and blood flow. Pair that with moderate aerobic activity, and you're giving your heart a longevity boost. That goes beyond just lowering cholesterol or blood pressure. Sleep, often underestimated, is also central to anti-aging. Deep, restorative sleep is when your body clears toxins, repairs tissues, and balances hormones. Scientists found minor disruptions accelerate cellular aging, impair memory, and contribute to metabolic decline. Techniques like consistent sleep schedules, limiting blue light, and relaxation routines protect repair systems. Breakthroughs suggest certain sleep phases can be enhanced through auditory cues or timing meals, helping the body enter deeper stages of rejuvenation more efficiently. Next, let's touch on hormonal optimization. Aging often comes with declining hormone levels. Testosterone in men, estrogen and progesterone in women, and growth hormone in both sexes. While hormone replacement therapy isn't for everyone, research explores safer natural support. Adequate sleep, resistance training, intermittent fasting, and specific nutrients stimulate production and sensitivity, contributing to energy, metabolism, and cognitive clarity. Even subtle improvements in hormonal balance can have profound effects on mood, vitality, and resilience. Nutrition itself is becoming a cornerstone of longevity research. Beyond traditional healthy eating, there's evidence for nutritional timing, compounds, and personalized diets. Intermittent fasting or time-restricted eating encourages autophagy, the body's natural recycling system. Polyphenol-rich foods reduce oxidative stress, and prebiotic and probiotic intake nurtures a healthy gut, which has been linked to immune function, mood, and even brain health. Emerging research suggests plant-based compounds can influence gene expression, activating repair pathways, and stress resistance. The concept is simple. What you eat doesn't just provide calories. It signals your cells to behave in ways that slow aging and protect longevity. Mental stimulation and social engagement also play a surprising role in our longevity. Studies show seniors learning new skills, playing instruments, or joining social groups preserve memory. They also experience measurable changes in brain structure. Neuroplasticity doesn't stop in later life. Your brain can grow, adapt, and recover. Puzzles, reading, or digital learning activate neural networks. This improves memory, processing speed, and emotional resilience. Pair this with strong social connections. You're essentially building a protective shield against cognitive decline while boosting happiness. Emerging therapies are another exciting frontier in the science of longevity. Researchers explore senolytics, NAD boosters, stem cell treatments, and regenerative medicine. These therapies, though early, show aging is treatable as a biological process, not inevitable decline. Animal studies show interventions like senescent cell clearance improve mobility, organ function, and lifespan. Stem cell therapy has the potential to repair cartilage, heart tissue, and even neurons. Science reaching this level is revolutionary, offering hope that aging will be actively managed. Even mental health plays a hidden but crucial role in our health span. Chronic stress accelerates aging by increasing cortisol, damaging cells, and disrupting metabolism. Mindfulness, meditation, breathing exercises, and yoga reduce biological age markers and inflammation. For seniors, stress reduction isn't just about feeling calmer. It affects how fast the body ages. Technology now complements these breakthroughs, enhancing our ability to manage health. Wearables and AI-based trackers monitor heart rate, sleep, activity, and even blood glucose in real time. These tools empower older adults to make data-driven choices and adjust lifestyle habits instantly. Combining technology with science creates a personalized approach to longevity, making it measurable. What's inspiring is that these discoveries are not just for elite labs or the ultra. Many interventions, resistance training, proper nutrition, sleep hygiene, social engagement are accessible. Mental stimulation and stress reduction are affordable and profoundly effective. Science confirms deliberate choices, informed by research, can extend healthy years, not just lifespan. Now, let's explore how these elements transform not just lifespan, but health span. The years you live fully and vibrantly. Living longer without quality is not the goal. Breakthroughs today extend the time you feel energetic, confident, and independent. One exciting discovery involves the synergy between movement, nutrition, and cellular repair. Combine resistance training with nutrient timing, sleep optimization, and intermittent fasting. The body responds in ways far greater than each intervention alone. Muscle tissue grows stronger, inflammation decreases, mitochondria function improves, and cognitive performance gets a boost. Seniors adopting a holistic approach experience measurable improvements in vitality, balance, and energy. Research also uncovers the importance of protein and amino acids in aging. After 60, the body's ability to build and maintain muscle diminishes due to anabolic resistance. The same amount of protein at 30 won't have the same effect at 70. Studies recommend higher protein intake spread throughout the day from plant and animal sources. Specific amino acids, like leucine, trigger muscle protein synthesis, helping seniors maintain strength. This also supports metabolic health and even bone integrity. Another breakthrough centers on brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. BDNF supports neuron growth, connectivity, and cognitive resilience. Physical activity, especially aerobic exercise, elevates BDNF levels. This translates to sharper memory, better mood, and protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Combined with mental stimulation, BDNF creates an environment where the aging brain can adapt and grow. It's a striking reminder that your brain, much like your muscles, thrives on challenge and stimulation at any age. Longevity research emphasizes the role of hormones beyond exercise and sleep. Declining hormones are a natural part of aging, but optimizing levels safely can improve energy, motivation, and metabolic function. Studies on growth hormone, DHEA, and sex hormones show supporting these systems through safe lifestyle practices, like adequate sleep and micronutrient supplementation, can help maintain vitality without aggressive hormone replacement therapy. Small improvements in hormone balance lead to better muscle mass, reduced fat accumulation, and improved mental clarity. Inflammation remains a central theme in anti-aging science. Chronic, low-grade inflammation drives age-related diseases. Modern research highlights specific compounds that help fight inflammation naturally. Omega-3, fatty acids, curcumin, polyphenols, and compounds in dark berries and cruciferous vegetables. These act at the cellular level to reduce oxidative stress and inflammatory signaling. These foods protect organs, communicate with cells, helping repair DNA, maintain mitochondrial efficiency, and influence gene expression. It's remarkable that everyday nutrition can play such a direct role in longevity. Sleep proves to be a silent but powerful anti-aging intervention. Seniors with deep, restorative sleep experience, slower cognitive decline, improved immune function, and better metabolic health. Short naps, consistent bedtime routines, and minimizing blue light exposure dramatically improves sleep quality. Emerging tools like sleep tracking apps and gentle light therapy make it easier to optimize sleep, turning it into a real longevity strategy rather than just rest. Social connection and mental wellness are also crucial for longevity. Loneliness and social isolation accelerate aging at molecular and systemic levels. Seniors with regular social interaction experience lower inflammation, healthier telomeres, and reduced cognitive decline. Volunteering, group classes, or regular phone calls with friends and family are powerful tools. The science is clear. Meaningful relationships literally change how your body ages. Let's not forget emerging therapies that feel almost futuristic. Senolytics, NAD plus boosters, stem cell therapies, and regenerative medicine are moving from the lab into practical applications. While some are still experimental, early human trials suggest they could improve organ function, repair tissue damage, and even reverse aspects of aging. Imagine a future where joint degeneration can be repaired, muscle function restored, and cognitive decline slowed. These breakthroughs offer hope that aging may no longer be a passive journey, but an active, modifiable process. Even mindset plays a role. Studies on longevity often highlight the purpose effect. People with a clear sense of purpose, routine, and personal goals tend to live longer, healthier lives. Purpose drives movement, social interaction, learning, and mental engagement, all of which intersect with physical pathways. Your attitude and motivation are biologically linked to your longevity. Living with curiosity, connection, and intention is more than emotional. It's a strategy backed by science. Finally, all of these insights point to a simple truth. Aging is modifiable. You can't control every cellular process, but you can influence many of them. Exercise, nutrition, sleep, stress management, social connection, mental stimulation, and emerging therapies create a powerful combination that supports health span, resilience, and independence. The most exciting part is that it's never too late to start. Research shows that even seniors in their 70s and 80s can gain strength, improve metabolism, enhance cognitive function, and lower biological markers of aging. Every small, science-backed step compounds into real, measurable improvement. So, as we look at the breakthroughs in anti-aging science, it's clear that longevity isn't just about adding years too. It's about adding life too. Years from your mitochondria to your muscles, your brain to your heart. Every system in your body responds to informed, deliberate action. And while emerging therapies offer hope for the future, the tools available to nutrition, mental stimulation, sleep, and connection are already powerful enough to transform your life. Aging may be inevitable, but decline is not. With knowledge, strategy, and consistency, you can reclaim energy, vitality, and independence, proving that the later decades of life can be some of the best.